is very fucking ghetto.
Hey, that shit on TNT. Tosh money.
What's up, Barbianas? Welcome back to the party, Yana, and in today's video I am going to be putting on a freaking tattoo, and it's not a regular freaking tattoo. It's a freaking dragon. And I got this tattoo from Shein, and I just felt like y'all like everything that comes from Shein, so why not show y'all me putting on this tattoo? Duh. I'm gonna put it on my forearm. Now the tattoo look like this, and I don't know if it's gonna fit. I don't know what the fucking circumstances may be. So here's the tattoo or whatever, girl. You know it's gonna get real ghetto in here, and I'm gonna just peel it off. I guess I'm gonna just place this on my freaking forearm. But if you don't know how to apply a tattoo, here you go. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get a rag. That's how I was raised to do it, but you know, everybody do it differently. I get a rag and I put it in hot water. So yeah, I'm gonna get this tattoo. Make sure the surface is dry. Alright, so boom, place that there. Swipe right on. I'm gonna get my rag and I'm gonna just, oh, I'm scared. I hope I didn't put this on wrong, bro. I think I did, to be honest with you. I think I put this on wrong. What you're gonna do, I put this on wrong. Bruh. I should have angled it in the middle and I didn't. So that's a fail. It'll be alright though. It'll be alright. Alright. I'm gonna just press it down. I don't know what part of my arm is getting tatted up. I think my freaking dragon is gonna be crooked and I'm kind of scared. Because I did not want a crooked dragon. If this looks a hot mess, then I'm gonna just buy another tattoo. To be honest with you. And do a whole nother video. Because I do not care. Oh shit, this part is not done. Some of these parts is not tatted up all the way. I need it to be fully correct before I have to be mad. Oh god, some of these parts are not tatted. Alright, I'm trying to do this the correct way and stuff. Okay, this half of my arm. What the fuck? I'm getting a little scared. Oh my god. What? Y'all, a bit tatted. Okay, what I could have did better is placed it in the middle a little more, because it's definitely not placed in the middle all the way. It's definitely off the chart, but look at how that bitch suited. Oh bitch, I look gooder than a bitch. Hold on, bitch. I thought bro said something. Talk shit, but he still ain't saying nothing. I'm gonna try this bitch up. Let's go. Bitch, look. That whole fire. That whole fire. I could have did way better. It's kind of angled this way, and I should have kind of placed it right here. But that's my fault. And I thought that this tattoo was too big to go on my arm, and it kind of is. So I just kind of wrapped it around. But I tried my best. It still look good though. Still look like I got a fucking tattoo. So I mean, shit. Bitch had something to say. I'm finna take a picture. I'm finna take a picture and be like this. I got to take a pic with this. I'm finna hold my back and be like, period. Let me show y'all. A bitch got a tattoo? Yeah. Bitch. I fucked up right there. I'm mad about that. But tomorrow, when the sun comes out, I'm definitely gonna take a picture and show y'all.
So the next day the sun wasn't out, so sadly I didn't get to take a picture of my tattoo in the sun. And then when the sun did come out the day after that, my tattoo started rubbing off. So the tattoo really didn't last that long. Like on the third day it was rubbing off and that blew the fuck out of me. But it's a really cute tattoo, but maybe if I applied it differently it would have stayed on longer, because it surely rubbed off on the third day. Rub off, but like pieces of it started coming off, and that was really ghetto. But it is what it is. It was still cute though.